god! First time riding MRT. I'm so proud of myself.
I'm first going here, so I want to be able to like.
Thank you so much!
Head over to.
Tapos from PITX, kuya.
Sakay kayo ng carousel pa SM Mega.
May diretso na. Okay, thank you. Pagka galing pong SM Mega Mall, ano po sasakyan pabalik ng...
Pwede kang mag One Ayala. Carousel pa rin. Pwede kang mag sa may...
Sige po.
May bakyan mo. Mabilis ang biyahe. Si Pasay, sakay ng MRT. Yung train, madaanan natin yun. Yung istasyon ng sinasakyan natin.
Pa-SM Mega Mall po, saan po ang sakay?
Bibili ka ba ng ticket?
So yung nawawala ako, oh my gosh, I am overwhelmed. Shaw Boulevard. Ay, naman ang lapit mo. Got it! Oh my gosh, this is my first time, guys. Oh. Tapos po, pwede na ba yun? Oh my gosh, amazing! Excuse me, kuya, saan po ako? Then po, pababa. Thank you! Oh.
A few minutes later.
Passengers, please refrain from using your devices while inside the train. Ang susunod na estasyon, versus passengers and passengers.
Shaw Boulevard Station. Doors will be opening on the left. Ang pinto magbubukas sa kaliwa. It is currently northbound.
Kuya, SM Mega Mall po, saan po ang daan? Akyat po. Thank you! I-insert pala. Amazing. I-insert pala siya. Insert pala yun. Okay, anyway. We are here at Shaw Boulevard. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan ako, guys. Oh my goodness, talaga. Dali. Tapos bababa ako here. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta. Hahamakin ang lahat. Oh my gosh, it's my first time riding MRT. I'm so proud of myself. Ganun pala yun. Pagpapasok, itatap. Paglalabas ka na, i-insert mo na lang. Okay. Parang basang sisiw, nawawala. And then, what's next? Okay, so 5-minute walk daw siya from where I am. So maglalakad tayo. I'll wait lang. I'll update you. Nandun na ako. Oh my God. Found it! Oh my gosh, talaga. Pag tumawid here.
kasama yung
Sabi na talaga to. And I am here. Oh my goodness. We touched done. I finally found it, guys. Sobrang nakaguard of her souls na siya. Cute dyan. Ito ang pinunta natin here. Thank you. Ito pala sa dulo ko nag-start. Amazing. Okay. Princess Nicole. Okay, balik tayo dyan. Found it! Oh my goodness, talaga. Wait lang talaga.
Oo nga eh, di ba?
girl look. Oh.
Saan yung last, guys? Kasi kailangan ko ng ikaw. Carlo, saan na yung last?
Cut niya ako, guys. Sabi niya, ikaw yung last. So pretty. Hi po. Hello. Thank you. Gosh, it's like 2017.
Di ba?
Kailan ka ba nanonood? Yes, sis. Oh my God. Talagang dinayo ko patugali pa akong gas mo.
Wait,
Yeah.
that's
I know yan. Saan ka, Rizal?
May ano ba na? Tanay.
Tanay yan. Nakala ko nga malilate ako kasi hanggang 3 lang, di ba?
Oo, ngayon hanggang 3 lang. Bukas hanggang 5.
Yes, kasi naisip ko, babalik na siyang ano.
Oo nga. Ngayon ko lang siya 1 minute after all this time.
Water! Oh my gosh, kaya panood ko na siya ever since like
Di ba?
high school.
High school.
Senior high, yeah, senior high. As
Buti
kasi,
na sa Jasma ka lang ngayon.
I know, right? Buti nga, nakita ko, nag-pop kasi yung vlog niya. And then nakalay, sabi ko, oh my God.
Nung nakaraan nasa Salcedo siya. Kaso hindi ko na naabutan.
Ngayon ka lang pupunta. As in, bakit?
Hindi ko lang din na ano talaga na plan. Hindi ko alam na mag-Salcedo siya, pero nakita ko sa friend ko nakasama niya si Durant sa Ayun, fashion to. Wala na yung gold. Ganda no, get mo na. Pero parang I like this.
Meron pa dun eh. Sa other side.
Gosh, is so Durant.
Yeah. This one too, the pantulog. As in, parang feeling ko iconic na tong pantulog niya. Ito na lang ba? Or the pantulog? Or let me check pa sa kabila. Ba? Kasha yan. So pretty! So cute! Thank you so much! I got this one. I do. Ngayon pa lang. Can we take a picture?
Of course. Kinakabahan niya. Attendance check!
Attendance check!
That's why I really want to accommodate everybody because I really value everyone's time and like their efforts going here. So I want to be able to like meet everyone. So thank you so much. Thank you. Of course.
Bye. Okay na.
Thank you, Andre.
Thank you. Wow, that's so pretty. Attendance check! Oh. Ay, pagsapalaro naman ako, guys. Paano ko tatawid?
I never asked.
Habang nakagat na naman. Ano ba ba itong pinupuntahan ko, guys? Hindi ko na alam.
Nagkaloob niya ang kanyang buktok and actually can't believe it just happened.
Hindi ba hindi na magtapos?
Kasal?
Sa Manila at saka dito sa...
This is the last time I'm probably gonna stay a lot. And then hopefully I'll be back in, I don't know, 3 years. I can't come home next year because I have school. What the fuck's your birthday?
Pwede ngiwi? Ato? Okay. Hindi. Sige.
Topic kayo. Ano gusto mo?
Jarella.
Jorela na lang. Jorela. Sure ka?
Yeah.
Or gusto mo magpatawa topic kayo?
Ito and this book? Sige, yung Jarella na.
Okay lang sa'yo, promise?
Yeah.
Sige. Hintay ko lang yung good thing.
Okay.
In this boot, giveaway!
Thank you so much.
Skating pa doon sa after.
Thank you. Wow, ang laki. Kaya-kaya to. Okay lang yan. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.
Because
Alam pa naman enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I did not really expect to have this kind of support. Hopefully, in the next years to come, if ever gagawin ko ulit to, I hope to see you guys again.
Yes.
Thank you guys. I love you all. I wish that I can hug all of you. Thank you. What the fuck? I'm very grateful to have met all of you. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Class alert cancers. Head over to these.
Oh my gosh, it's signed. Like, it's legit, guys, with our name on it. Yay! Oh my gosh, anong IG mo ate?